Hello YouTube, this is Mo from Momentum channel. Today I wanted to introduce you to Asking Canadians. So Asking Canadians is a website, it's an online research community basically that allows you to earn free points that can be exchanged for interesting items such as Petro Canada points for your gas, or those points can be used for Hudson's Bay and Aeroplan Miles. Um, in essence, what it does for you is by joining this website, which is free, you are going to be asked a few questions in the beginning just to identify your age range and your specific demographic group. Afterwards, several times during the month, you would receive an email in your mailbox to invite you to complete a survey. Uh, and it's so simple. All you need to do is basically you have to respond to simple questions in the survey, and once you're done with it, you would be receiving those points into your account. I can show you here, for instance, I have received this survey link from Asking Canadians, and I was invited to respond to it. I clicked on the link and opened up this page. In the beginning, it tells you how much points you're going to get and how much time this survey requires approximately to be completed. Keep in mind that sometimes, depending on your initial first few responses, the survey might indicate that this questionnaire is only belonging to a certain demographic group, so you might not qualify for that. But even if you don't, as you can see on the screen, if you do not correspond to the profile of consumers, you're still going to be awarded with 50 points. Just to put it in the context, if I complete this survey that you can see on the screen here, it's roughly going to take me 20 minutes, and at the end I will be awarded 1,500 points, which is equal to $1.50 of gas money with Petro Canada. Not bad at all for a few minutes of your time that you can use during your spare time to respond to simple survey questions and get more points. So far, I can tell you based on my personal experience that I've been using Asking Canadians, I have received more or less around $40 to $50 of gas money. As I mentioned earlier, I've connected to my Petro Canada, and I'm extremely happy with my experience. But you don't have to stick with that. As you can see on the screen, there are different ways you can connect it to your Petro points, but also to your Aeroplan Miles, to your Hudson Bays, and also to via Préférence. For those of you who have those accounts, your choice would be only you can select one. And again, as it's your call whether you want to really participate in the survey or not, but definitely a good way to earn some additional points and ultimately use them for free items that you can get from these sponsoring companies. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit the thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tips and tricks on how you can maximize your earnings and enhance your finances.